Hello everyone. So this is my day 6 of training and these are my assignment question. So first question goes on like create an account on Bitbucket and GitHub with company email ID. So first let us understand what is used for GitHub and what is Bitbucket. So coming to Bitbucket, that is what we are using in our company as of now. So in Bitbucket, it's a private key. Why we use Bitbucket? Okay, let me give you an example. If I have to share some photos or if I have to share some normal text or something with my friend or with my colleague, I can directly do it by using, Slack, maybe Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and etc. But Bitbucket is something where an encrypted file will be there, and I can't share it with people, and it will be in more than 1 GB or maybe more than n number of MBs. So what we do is, like for example, I am a developer and the XYZ person is a tester. I develop a code and I will send it to a tester, and the tester might find some error or something. So what he does, he will correct the error by using Bitbucket because he will be accessing by using the push or pull command. When he gets the command by cloning it, he will be getting the command and he will be using that. Where he gets the bug, he will make a note and forward it to me so that I can rectify it by seeing that command and I can do the same. So by basically Bitbucket, Bitbucket is nothing but a person who is in a company or in a place where an encrypted file will be there and we can communicate easily and send files here and there. So what is GitHub? GitHub is also same, but coming to the difference, Bitbucket is a private key and GitHub is a public key. GitHub, I think we are using from school days where anything we post, we can access it very easily, but Bitbucket is used in so many of the organizations now. So they have asked us to do the company email ID sign up, or that is to create an account. So this is how the GitHub looks like, and this is how the Bitbucket thing looks like. So I've already signed in because of our group project. So I'll just show you how to log in right now. So this is a Bitbucket account. So I'll go to my company email ID. So bhoomika.dk at teknotrait.com. So then I go to the continue. Okay, so password, it's already put because I've done save. So let me log in. So once I log in, I get this. So I've already done the repository. This is Pavitra who trained us how to do it. So this is one of the repository, and this is the repository which I had created like for our group, and we have all done it. So these are the things. So we have it in settings. I can, I'll get my company email ID here and the workspace and stuff. And when I go to my personal settings, I can change it to my user ID and all the stuffs here. So this is how the thing looks like. Whereas in GitHub, this is how the page looks like. Let me just okay, let me go to sign in because I've already signed in as I told. So again, Bhoomika.Teknotrait, Bhoomika.dk Teknotrait, and this is the password. And then I go for sign in. As of now, we have not done any repository, or I mean, we have not created anything. So it looks something like this. And yeah, we can pull the request and thing. And even here, yeah, uh, coming here to the Bitbucket, we can see there is the branches and everything, and we can add the jiras and stuff. So this is how it works, like where you have your work, you can create a project repository or something, and even you can invite a person. So when you invite a person, what happens, for example, like I have invited Apurva here, or even Rakesh. So what happens, they will be getting the access to seeing whatever the commands I've done, whatever stuffs I've done, and they can also do the changes. So this is what it goes on like. So it might be a private key, public key, which will come to the next question. So this is all about, the first question. And the second question goes on like, what is the use of generating a public key, private key when accessing Bitbucket? Okay, it in private key, we all know that it is the file is being encrypted. And so for example, I give a file to a person, so we can see it here. We have an option of giving a permission to either write or read. For example, if I give it to only read in the private key, she can only read the thing. And if I give it to write, she can write it. So what does it mean? When only a admin can give them, access to a, group member, then only there able to access it. So that is what is a private key. Public key is something where each and every person can access it, and there is nothing, to stop them. So this is the difference between a private key and public. Private key is usually used for, encrypted data, and then, so see, the original data is there, then it gets encrypted, then it's get decrypted, and then comes the original format. This is how the private key goes on. So these are the two assignment questions. Hope everything is clear. If I'm not, please do comment down below, and thank you.